I can't wait to see what you'll build today. Where to now? Right leads to... The rolling bridge is just there. Look! That boat has to make an important delivery, but the bridge is down. Let's wind it up to let them pass. Well done! We're always happy to help. Which toy will you choose now? Follow the beam of light to find your toy. Oh no! Sheep have wandered onto the tracks. You can help out by dragging them back into their pen. Excellent! We're always happy to help. Time to pick a new toy. Let's go find that toy. I love that. Which way do you want to go? Left leads to... Right leads to the tunnel. Left leads to... The tunnel is nearby. Left leads to... The tunnel is nearby. Rusted bolts! The tunnel's collapsed and our friend is stuck. Can you piece it all back together? Drag the broken pieces back onto their spot on the bridge. That's so cool! That's the way! Great! That was off the rails! Choose a new toy! Let's go find that toy! Where to now? Right leads the Great Waterton Station's coming up. Left leads to... The Great Waterton Station's coming up. The passengers have arrived. Annie says thank you. You've got this. Help the engine jump the big bridge. Tap as fast as you can on the buttons to make the engines go, go, go. That was super cool! any toy you'd like. Follow the beam of light to find your toy. Which way do you want to go? Right leads to the lava quarry. Forward leads to Brendam Docks. Forward leads to Brendam Docks. Right leads to the lava. Right leads to the lava. Forward leads to... Forward leads to... This adventure box contains a unique engine. 9 toys to get the Mega Bundle to add even more to your train set. Forward leads to... We're near the pig farm. Let's go! Oh no! Some pigs have wandered off from the farm. Can you help drag them back into... Well done! We're always happy to help.